In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Calendar event from an email. By the end, you'll be able to turn any relevant message into a scheduled event with reminders, guests, and a link back to the original email for easy reference. Start by opening a browser and going to gmail.com. Sign into your account if you aren't already. This process works best on a desktop browser because you will have access to the built-in side panel that ties Gmail and Google Calendar together. Next, open the email you want to create an event from. Ideally, the message includes clear details like a date, a time, or a location. Give it a quick scan so you know what information you'll need to confirm or edit in the event. If the message mentions multiple options, keep in mind which one you plan to schedule. Now look to the right side of the Gmail window for the side panel. You'll see icons for Calendar, Keep, Tasks, and Contacts. Click the Calendar icon to open the Google Calendar pane without leaving your inbox. If you don't see the panel, it might be minimized. Click the small arrow in the bottom right corner of Gmail to show it. With the Calendar panel open, click Create or the plus sign to start a new event. Gmail does a helpful bit of automation here. It uses the email subject line as the event title and includes a link to the original email in the description. That link makes it easy to revisit the message later for context or attachments. Take a moment to review and set the event details. Adjust the date and time to match what's in the email and switch to an all-day time if that fits better. If you need a location, add the address or meeting place so guests get accurate directions. Add guests by entering their email addresses. This lets Calendar send them an invitation and keeps everyone on the same page. Set notifications so you get reminders at the intervals you prefer, such as 10 minutes or 1 day before the event. If the email contains extra notes, dial-in information, or an agenda, paste those into the description so everything lives in one place. When everything looks right, click Save. If you added guests, you'll be prompted to send invitations, which you should confirm to notify them. Your new event now appears in Google Calendar, and the description includes that handy link back to the original email, keeping all the details connected and easy to find.